Have you ever turned on your Honda Accord after a battery change and suddenly seen the word code flashing on the radio screen? Don't worry, your radio isn't broken. This is actually Honda's built-in anti-theft system. Whenever the car loses power, like after a dead battery or maintenance, the radio automatically locks itself to prevent unauthorized use. To get it working again, you need to enter a unique Honda radio code. So how do you get this code? It's actually very simple. Every Accord radio has a serial number. On newer models, you can find it directly on the screen by holding buttons 1 and 6 while turning on the unit. On older models, you may need to remove the radio to see the label with serial no written on it. Once you have that serial, the hard part is done. Now, just go to hondaradiocodes.com, enter your serial number, and instantly retrieve your unlock code. No dealership visits, no waiting days, and no unnecessary fees. In fact, if you have a navigation unit, your Navi code is included free of charge. After getting your code, simply turn on your Honda Accord radio, enter the digits, and when you press the last number, you'll hear a confirmation beep. Just like that, your music and navigation are back to normal. So remember, if your Honda Accord radio is locked, don't panic. Grab the serial, head over to hondaradiocodes.com, and unlock your radio within seconds. Fast, reliable, and guaranteed.